And I want to use this opportunity to tell all the Igbos, listen, I have said it before. Only Igbo bona jele biagokwa na ozo na Lagos. Imana idoma. In fact, I'm not him. In fact, I'm not him. I don't really know what to call you again. Only Igbo bona gokwa na Lagos again. So or anything. In fact, I'm not him. Now, now they want to destroy this computer village now, and you will try another place to buy land again. All those people who didn't destroy their house. I saw one man saying that he built his house almost more than 300 million naira. Now, just the Lagos state governor and the tinubu just under 1 hour, then destroy that my house. Most of them die. Most of them get BP. Most of them even stroke because of the houses the Lagos state governor they destroy. And after they destroy this computer village, you go another place, go buy land, spend money to build that one. If you buy land another place, build them, in next 20 years, then if they know do on you, they go do on your children who won't take that property. If they know, listen to me, all those Igbos now, all those Igbos where Lagos state governor and the tinubu don't they destroy their houses. After they destroy your house, you go another place, go buy land, build. Okay. Your children will take over that land when you die. Now, when your children will take over that land, in next 20 or 50 years, they may do it to your children. All this suffer where they suffer from Lagos now, they build house. Your children may not enjoy those property. Your children may not enjoy those property. May God have mercy upon this Nigeria. Now, Lagos state governor and the tinubu, they want to demolish computer village at Lagos. And you know their target? Their target is Igbos. But the problem I'm having with Igbos is that Igbos know the hear word. That is the problem I'm having with Igbos, my brothers. They know the hear word. Osnatin Kapa, Osnatin Kapo. Ojukwu have told you people before, but una no hear Ojukwu. Nnamdi Kanu have told you people before, but una no hear Nnamdi Kanu. Your fathers, I believe that your fathers, your father have told you people this, and you people know the hear. Now they want to demolish that computer village at Lagos. Since Lagos state governor and tinubu, they are destroying houses in Lagos, demolishing houses in Lagos. They are not telling you people to go. They don't need you. They are not practicing one Nigeria, but Igbo are practicing one Nigeria. And the same Igbo, they are shitting on you. Can't you hear Igbo people? I want to know the time where Igbo go get sense. You people pretend that we are the wisest people in Nigeria, but it's not true. Even Aboki where they do shoemaker get sense past all those Igbos where they do investment in Lagos in North. What is going on with Igbos? I'm not against anybody to do business any way you want, but these people, they don't need us. They don't love you. I'm an evangelist. When I see bad thing, I will condemn it. I will say, this is bad, I will condemn it. They don't need you. They don't want you to lose to become president of Nigeria. They don't need you at all. Now, why are you going that place to develop? The one where they do your father after war, Biafran war. That one not teach you something. The one where they do your father, that one not teach you something. The one where they seize all your money, your father saved all their monies. Billionaire, Igbo millionaire, Igbo billionaire, Igbo trillionaire. They seize all their money and give them 20 pounds because they don't want Igbo to rise, to swear strong again in Nigeria. But upon they do that thing, God start from that place, they throw Igbo down. God starts from that place, raising Igbo up again. They'll be strong. That the same God that helped the Igbos after them seize all their monies. That the same God that helped our fathers after they seized all their money, gave them 20 pounds. God starts from nowhere, raise them up again. That the same God is able to raise you up, even if you come out from Lagos, even if you come back to this east to start doing business. That the same God will help you. Yorubas, this thing we want to do. I will not say anything. Now what you wanna do Ghana? That time where Ghana must go. Where Nigeria pursue Ghana. Then pursue Ghana out. After them pursue Ghana, now Nigeria and Ghana, Lagos and Ghana now. Which one where they better? Lagos, Yoruba people, though not all the Yorubas, because there are some Yorubas that are good people. Let me not talk all the Yorubas. Tinubu and Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Lagos State, and all the few cabals that are doing this. Igbo, no be problem of Nigeria. Ndi Igbo, they are not be problem of Lagos State. Ndi Igbo, no be problem of Lagos State. They are not be problem of Nigeria. You people should leave Igbo alone. Tinubu and Sanwo-Olu, make una leave Igbo alone. Igbo no be una problem. Igbo no be una problem. Envy, jealousy, envy. Igbo no be problem of Nigeria. You people should leave us alone.
Now, this is what I call a heartbreaking news. Not a breaking news, but a heartbreaking news. Now, Computer Village is about to be demolished. And you know the population of people that are going to suffer there. And the most population that will suffer there are only Igbo. So, Ndibai, I think it's high time we begin to locate our bearing. Because at least the seaports in the east are now being dredged. So pretty soon the ports will be open. I think it's high time we begin to locate our bearing because this issue is becoming unbearable. And as for the Yorubas in Lagos that are doing business, well, I'm sorry. I know you are thinking that Tinubu is our locum, but sorry, it is Tinubu locum. It is not for you. Tinubu is not for you and will never be for you. It's after his interest in Lagos. Yes. So it is high time you begin to understand the situation that we have put ourselves with the wrong choices that we have made. But for our people, it is high time you just start going home and begin to build your home because it will get worse than this. Now listen to this breaking news.
We have breaking news from Kelly Giga, who is in the Ikeja area of Lagos Computer Village. Kelly, what can you tell us about what's going on there right now?
So we're just somewhere around the very popular computer village, and what we can tell you right now is that tenants of these shops here, there's so much desperation on their faces, and perhaps we can just pan and let's show you what we are talking about here, because these tenants who have shops here have been left perhaps in a dilemma or confusion. They have gotten reports about the need for an urgent renovation work, and their shops, we understand, are going to be demolished any moment from now. And that's why you can see the faces of those who have shops here, who have been here for many years. They've been asking questions as to why exactly now, and yet some of these questions have not been answered. We've only just arrived here a couple of minutes ago, and that's why the details are really very, very sketchy. But what we can tell you is that this is not the first time this has happened. They have received such a notification of demolition in 2019, and fast forward now to 2023, they have again received another notification of a demolition exercise to happen here any moment from now. When we got on ground a few minutes ago, we also discovered that some of them are already moving their items in their shops just to prepare for the worst, perhaps. But let's bring in the chairman of these shops who would perhaps give us some more perspective and clarity. Mr. Chairman, just very briefly, talk to us exactly why are your people standing here? What have you been told?
Anyway, it's unfortunate that we are facing this kind of a thing from some developer, that they bend on bringing this place down since 2019. Láti wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀, because 2019 Ari letter pon fẹ́ develop on fún wa ní.
All right, so you have to speak in English because of our viewers, international viewers. But quickly, who said they want to come and demolish this place?
Okay, then we had an invitation from a developer through Power. Through Power College. Then when they brought the invitation, then We try to talk to them, but they bend on bringing it, and then we go to press, then we talk to them. Later, then we reach out to IGY. Then IGY denied that he doesn't know anything about the issue.
All right.
Then.
All right.
Then.
All right. Yes, so, I mean, because we are absolutely pressed for time, we have to leave it here. We are absolutely on ground, and what we can assure our viewers around the world is that we're going to stay here and bring you up to speed with developments as they happen right here at the computer village.